Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to stop the player now. Press ESC or click the browser stop icon and the video will halt. Once paused, cut network access, disable Wi-Fi or enable airplane mode to keep it from restarting. Make sure to open DevTools with F12. This lets you watch requests and use the network tab to block the YouTube domain. These first steps give you control fast, so you can prevent background loading while you prepare a permanent solution. Now configure a blocking tool so YouTube cannot load again without permission. Install uBlock Origin, then add custom filters for YouTube. COM and ITIMG. COM, that blocks video files, thumbnails, and scripts. Alternatively, edit your host's file to point those domains to 127.0.0.1. This blocks them system-wide. Make sure to create a separate browser profile or use extension whitelists so other sites remain functional. Once done, test by attempting to load YouTube. It should fail to fetch resources. Finish by validating your changes. Open an incognito window and try YouTube to confirm the block. Clear browser cache and service worker storage to remove any preloaded assets. If content still loads, inspect router DNS settings, local parental controls, and ISP caching. Make sure DNS is not bypassing your host's edits. Keep backups of hosts and extension settings so you can revert quickly. If things go wrong, reboot and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.